pure rolling condition, pure rolling condition on moving surface. See, suppose I have a moving surface. Let's say there is a plank, and this plank is moving with a velocity v on smooth surface, and there is some other object, circular cylinder, sphere, anything that is moving with a velocity vc and rotating with omega, and it is undergoing pure rolling.
Yes, sir.
So in pure rolling, at the contact point, friction has to be static.
Yes.
If friction kinetic hai, तो it's not pure rolling. So at this point P, I can say this is point P. ये point P जो दोनों contact में है वो point में बना रहा हूँ. Okay. So for the sphere, VC is like this. Yes, जो भी object circular है, omega r is in this direction, and this point is moving in this direction with velocity v.
Yes, sir.
For static friction, there is no relative motion. There is no relative motion at contact point. Got it?
Yes.
So I can say VC minus omega r is equal to V. This becomes the pure rolling condition. पहले क्या था, V0 था, तो VC minus omega r is equal to 0 हो जाता है.
Yes.
Fine. Or I can also say AC minus alpha r is equal to A. Just differentiate this. But ये आपको हर बार सबके लिए अलग अलग होगा. ये मैंने इस सिचुएशन के लिए कर दिया है. There will be different situation. So fixed surface है तब तो आप blindly AC equals to alpha r कर सकते हैं. But moving surface है तो blindly AC minus alpha r is equal to A नहीं कर सकते. You have to study the surface.
Yes.
जिस तरह से मैंने स्टडी किया, और then you will write down the condition of pure rolling.